guys, I hope you're well and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about this brand here, which is Neuro. I've been using this brand for a while now. I've got scent and I've got lots of styling products, heat protectors, primers, and I've been really loving it, and I just wanted to do a video to show you how I use the different products, and also the hairdryer, which is it's got like a light technology in there, so of course you're getting heat on your hair, but it's actually a lot quicker in drying your hair and it's not as damaging to your hair, and the light technology actually makes your hair shiny. So hopefully you can see my hair's shiny. So yeah, I have been using the shampoo and conditioner, which I really love, and I have been using the repair treatment, which you basically leave in for like 2 or 3 minutes just after you shampoo and condition your hair, so you can quickly shave your legs or wash your face, or whatever you need to do in the shower. But if you want a deeper treatment, you leave it in for 10 minutes. So it's either longer in the shower, or you can come out, do something for 10 minutes, scroll through Instagram for 10 minutes and jump back in the shower. But yeah, I really like this deep treatment. It my hair feels really nourished and hydrated, and like it's really put like the moisture back in, which is really great. So yeah, I am going to go back and show you what my hair started off like with wet hair, dry my hair, style it, and talk you through the products I've been using. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right, so my hair is wet and I have just used the Neuro Repair shampoo and conditioner, which is really nice. Has a light scent to it, but nothing like overbearing, but it's really good. I'm really happy with it. My hair feels really smooth with the conditioner. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of this Prime Blowout Primer. I literally take that much and work it into my hair. I'm also going to take some volume foam and work that into just the front bit of my hair, because I just feel like it goes really flat if I don't use any kind of foamy stuff. So there we go. I'm going to take the Neuro hairdryer, which has a cool setting spray, so you can just like blast your hair with cold air, which I do it, and that really tames baby hairs, so I'm going to do that at the end, you'll see. And then on-off button, and basically up and down button. Up and down button basically controls the heat and the amount of and the air pressure as well. And you've got an air filter here, which you just literally take out, and you can clean here, which is really useful, so you don't get that kind of like build up. And you'll be able to hear how it's not that loud. Obviously it's going to sound loud now because it's quite quiet, but generally, as hairdryers go, it is not loud at all. Normally my hair generally my hair takes about 7 to 8 minutes to kind of get dry, and I need it properly dry. But this literally takes like 3 to 4 minutes, so it's literally halved my drying time. So I'm going to stop talking and dry my hair. So there you go, there's my hair now dry. You can see the volume, just my hair. There's not a lot of, I don't have thick hair, I just have lots of strands of thin, fine hair. That's my hair type. But yeah, the last blast at the end was literally just to kind of, any baby hairs, just kind of, if you cold blast them, they kind of just blend in with the rest of your hair. Because if you have baby hairs, don't hate them, because it's basically your new hair growing through. So if your hair falls out when you're washing your hair and all that kind of stuff, you will get new hair. Your baby hairs are your new hairs growing through, so don't hate them because they're good. It just means that you're always going to have a full head of hair. But what makes baby hairs stand up more is heat. So if you just cold blast them, it will kind of tame them a bit more. So yeah, top tip from me. So first thing I'm going to do is add some heat protector spray. This is the Neuro heat protector spray, so I literally just spray it all over. And this is really, really lightweight. It doesn't add weight to your hair. So when as I've got long hair, I don't like products that are going to be too weighty, because that's just going to weigh my hair down, especially when I'm doing waves and curls and things like that. So just going to click, so sorry, I've just halved my hair, taken the top section, now just the bottom section I'm just going to, you know, just split up a bit so it's just easier to manage really. Use the Neuro hairspray just to make sure that my style lasts. And this actually has like a little lock system, which is really useful when you have kids who are playing around with your stuff. So you can lock it so you're not spraying anyone in the eyes, or no one's getting sprayed in the eyes. There you go. Just to kind of finish that look. Okay, Neuro hair system review and demo, and I really, really hope you liked this video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all of the above, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys!